Nature literally has the power to heal. By slowing down and letting yourself notice the smell, sound, and feel of nature, you become present, aware, and often experience less stress. So, why not start it today? Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Those who don't know who I am a Pakistani vlogger and you are here to watch my vlogs on the daily basis. So I mostly explored the Pakistan unexplored beauty and its northern areas. My past few vlogs were from the northern side of the Pakistan, and I hope that you will be liking my videos and you will be watching my content and share some love for my videos and my country Pakistan. So today I'm going to the riverside and want to capture some beautiful place want to capture some natural spots, natural beauty of my beautiful country Pakistan. So stay tuned with me, and I have just started my travel and I'm exploring some unexplored beautiful natural spots of my country. So I hope that you will be liking my content and do give me suggestions what you would like to see on my channel. So stay tuned for more beautiful places and show some love. While traveling on the road, you can particularly see these wildlife creatures eating corns and the foods given by the tourist in that particular area of that side. While traveling, I noticed in my way that there was a very pretty beautiful handicraft shop where many items were displayed for your particular usage in your household, and you can use those handicraft items in your house decoration walls as well. There was a very pretty good variety at the handicraft shop, and I was liking most of the contents. So I thought I should buy some good lamps or serving trays. You can see serving pots, you can see some vases, some handicraft wooden lamps, and some stands to hang out, some folding tables, some stools, and the Quran rack especially I liked the most. And I bought some jewelry boxes. Here you can see a very good sugar pot that was made of the wood, and they were all very good in quality. The chimes, as you can see, you can hang them in front of your home entrance or for sort of any decoration purpose. And these are the stools, I guess. These are hot pots. As you can see, it keeps your bread These are absolutely gorgeous hanging mirrors, and these are the shawls. These are pashmina shawls. We call it pashmina. It's a winter stuff, and it's so warm. And you can also see the dresses on my backside. These are the traditional dresses of Kashmir and used in the northern side of the Pakistan. After visiting that handicraft shop, we again started a journey, and we were traveling very fast to reach on time so that we can reach that place and enjoy before sunset. Finally, we are near to our destination, and we are so excited that we make it before sunset, so that we were having plenty of time to enjoy. And I hope that you are also enjoying and liking my vlog. So finally we have reached a point where the Pakistan and Kashmir meets. So there is a bridge over there which is connecting Azad Kashmir and Pakistan. So these are the mountains which comes under the territory of Azad Kashmir. So you can say that I'm standing between the junction of the both countries. So as a Pakistani, we also own Azad Kashmir as our part. So we don't call it another country till yet, but yes, we do love Kashmiris, and it's a very beautiful place. Due to the rainy season and excessive rain, the river water is somehow dirty, but I'll show you a waterfall on the back side of the mountain. So stay with me and enjoy my content. After parking our car, we just found a very good place to sit and enjoy beyond the waterfall. And let me just show you. Here I'm trying to reach that spot, so bear with me. You can see my effort while reaching out that point, because it was so steep and it was very hard to walk on the stones. And here you can see how hard I'm trying to reach that place. It was very difficult because that place was a little bit slippery, and I was trying to stay calm and stable, and such a good and beautiful place. So here you can see my both kids are enjoying, and my younger one is snatching chips from my elder one. So in the meantime, we got our food, and it was a very tasty fish and chicken tikka and chicken kadai, and the tandoori roti straight out of stove. So I was enjoying my food very much. So here we are done with our lunch, and we are planning to go back. So there was a very good place here. I thought I should share it with all of you. Here comes my amazingly tasty tandoori chai, and that was a perfect combo while enjoying at the riverside and drinking that hot cup of tea. I should not spare some time to have some good photographs and pictures. So why not take advantage of that beautiful place and keeping you entertained with all of it. While traveling back to our home, I just saw a very beautiful landscape. I thought I should capture it for you. You can see the shades of the clouds. It was about to rain, and the weather was so good, the view was so good. While traveling on this road, you just came across with these beautiful colorful umbrellas selling by the vendors, because the weather here is so uncertain. By the time you see that it's raining, and after some time the rain is over and the weather is so hot. So it's a usual thing in the northern areas of the Pakistan. So finally we are back to our home, and the traveling was awesome, the view was awesome, the spot was awesome. We enjoyed the food, the place, and spent very good quality time with my family. And I hope you liked my content. Do share and like my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and we will be looking forward for your comments in my video. See you.